So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of November 2020. Here to talk about Aave, give you all the latest price information in terms of what we suspect the market in Aave, where it's trying to go. So let's go ahead and break down into the video. We did a video, the last video that we've done for Aave was here in August the 5th, 2023. Anticipated that the market was weak. You guys can see that's exactly what the market did. Here on August the 17th, the market hit an ultimate TP price right about 9%. We really found bottom support into the market in Aave around 52 bucks. That would harness you around 18.89% there. So let's get back into the market. You guys can see as I zoom out this price chart, we are no longer seeing the price in Aave trending down, which is a massive trend change. Okay, so we're going to move this trend line rather than it going down to one of us noticing prices becoming more bullish. Okay. So we are definitely seeing a change in sentiment into the market in Aave. Pretty much a lot of cryptocurrencies are doing the same thing, being bullish, going higher in price. But this is where our concerns now lie into the market for Aave. This area right here is a point of contention between the buyers and the sellers. That zone is where we're seeing an increase in selling pressure. Okay, so we really won't see the market in Aave go higher until these buyers take out the sellers that's positioned here. Now, why would I say sellers are here in this range around $100? Because on the daily price bars, it tells us every time the market comes to this price level, the price closes off of the highs, and it tells us that there's a lot of selling occurring into the market in Aave to the point to where the demand is not greater than the supply or the stockpile. So don't expect the market in Aave to break up higher until these sellers are taken out the way. Take a look at Aave on the 2-day chart, because let me show you this on the daily. I wanted to talk about this too. This price move yesterday to the market in Aave still resembles and shows us that there's still demand here though. So even though we can see the zone to where sellers are, this day, yesterday's trading action also tells us that the buyers are still there too. Here's Aave on the 3-day chart. We have 10 hours and 37 minutes left. If we still receive on the conclusion of this 3-day price bar, once it prints, and if it prints at the high of the bar, I will definitely be expecting the market Aave to go up. We already got the indicator of strength being signaled here. I don't like the price being off the highs though. I don't like that. So I would like to see in the next 10 hours the market close there at the high. If it does, I would be a little bit more bullish than I am right now. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Still look at the spread, market closing off the highs. Here it is on the weekly chart. Take a look at Aave on the 2 weeks, real quick on the 3. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at the monthly chart since you only have 7 days left. Zooming out, take a look. The last time we came up here to like $122 into the market in Aave was back in August of 2022. So we really haven't seen the price in Aave trade at this particular range in a while. Even here during the month of this year, February 2023, the market high of $95.50 was also impactful to the buyers, meaning that they couldn't take the price higher than that. So we definitely need to be keen on to, okay, how strong will the market in Aave be as we see the market trying to break through that sell zone. Here it is right here. It tells you right there on the 330-minute bar, this is where sellers hit the market. Price, the reaction went right back down. Take a look at the buyers though. This is where the buyers are currently hitting the market, trying to tell us that they're still interested in buying Aave. This particular cryptocurrency, even in the midst of the selling, it still looks pretty bullish. It still looks like price wants to go higher. So that's what we're going to do. I mean, we simply pay attention to the price action. It tells us exactly what they want to do. And then you see that weakness bar there on the 7 hours. So I'm here to tell you literally like right now, we got to be careful into how bullish you really want to be in Aave right now, because this area is going to be massively important for us to see these buyers take that area out. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart, because we do acknowledge that this is where sellers are. So my first target is going to be right there around $99.75, give or take. It's about 3% move. Second one's going to be at the high that occurred on November the 13th, which is around 8% there. And then my third target is going to be at the high back in beginning of November the 9th. That's 13 3/4. Now, I told you that yesterday's price action was great. It tells us that the buyers were still there. This is where the buyers are holding price. So we don't want to see the market fall below this zone. If it does, then we definitely need to have another conversation about how bullish Aave is. All right, so keep that in mind too. So don't be surprised if the market in Aave initially goes down, because you can see already that the sellers is hitting the market. So why would you be worried and question why is price in Aave going down? I'm telling you the reason why now is because sellers currently hitting the market. All right, give me your thoughts. I'm finished. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.